Hello guys, welcome to my shop. So I have another restoration for us. And this time I'm going to be restoring this old Stanley No.104 level to plumb level. I picked this up at a yard sale. And, I went and I picked up a whole bunch of stuff, but this is the one I'm going to focus on this week, restoring this. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to try to restore it. It has some problems with it. Obviously, the vial here, the plumb vial, is broken and missing, so I'm going to have to replace that. So I went ahead and ordered a new vial for it. I ordered an acrylic one instead of a glass one, just so it would be basically going to last longer. This top one is actually in good shape, and that's, you know, the original glass bent vial, which is interesting. The edges have pretty significant checking in the wood. So what I'm thinking of doing, and this is one of the reasons why I call it better than new, is I'm going to, about this piece of brass, I'm actually going to give it nice brass edges like that. Other than that, I'm also going to remove all of this. It has some kind of finish on it, a stain, like it's almost like a red mahogany stain. I'm pretty sure it's a cherry wood, but it's got a pretty badly done stain. It's interesting. And I'm pretty sure it came like that from the factory, but it's splotchy and it's not great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually take the whole thing apart. I'm going to plane it down and get it perfect, you know, level and plumb. And then once I do that, I'm going to basically bring it down to the wood, and then once I see the wood, I'm not sure if I'm going to stain it dark or if I'm going to just give it a nice coat of oil and maybe some shellac to protect it, but it'll probably look way different than this because it'll probably be lighter for a while as the cherry, you know, will darken up with age. So, but it should be a pretty cool restoration, and well, let's get to it. So I used a little General Finishes Java gel stain just to even out the color a little bit. There was a lot of sapwood up here. You can still see it right here. But it was very, very, very light at the top, and it got really dark with the oil on the sides. So I just used a little Java stain to try to darken up the top. I didn't want to get rid of the whole, make it all brown, but I just wanted to even it out a little bit. And that's what I did. And it's been a couple of days now, it's been drying. So now I'm just going to give it a couple of coats of shellac. Here's the top vial for the level, and there's 2 of them, which is what I ordered in case I broke one. They were cheap enough. And we're done. I think it turned out real nice. I'll show some close-ups as well, but thank you for watching.